Testing the RGB output on the Philips CM8833 Mk2 monitor. I have a wire connected here into the back. This is a bit of a bodge job, but this is for connecting to the 9-pin socket on the back of the monitor. So switch on, round to the front, show you the screen. Now I've got that grey cable I just showed you, comes round and goes into this box. This is a SCART switching box, and this cable goes around to my Spectrum Plus 2. So I'm now going to switch on the Spectrum Plus 2, back on the screen, and there we go. Let's go into 48K Basic. I'll press the button and we'll find a demo. Which one shall we have? Still 128 one. Don't know what this one is. Does this one got any sound? Testing the switch. What else we got? It's very marvellous quality, but it's working. It's actually flickering less on the screen, on the camera, than what the screen is. Okay, thank you for watching.